Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes guys, so right now we're gonna do some barbecue jerk chicken with my mango sauce. Yes, I made this homemade mango sauce, yeah, and it's like a sweet and sour mango sauce with pineapple and all of that in there. All right guys, so let's get into this video. I washed this in some vinegar already. All right, we're gonna go in with some garlic, about a tablespoon, garlic paste, ginger paste, add another tablespoon. This is my blended seasoning, green seasoning, all purpose. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons. This is my jerk seasoning. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna do a mixture today, so I'm gonna do my homemade, and then I'm gonna add some of the original. This is Walker's Wood. It's really good, so it's gonna be super. Oh, this one is spicy, guys. That's why I don't put too much. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. This is my chicken seasoning. We're gonna put like 2 tablespoons. I like my meat to have seasoning. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of paprika. Cut this one. If you have onion powder, you can go ahead and put it. This is my garlic. I'm gonna put a tablespoon. Although I put the garlic puree already, I like the flavor. Extra garlic. Garlic is good for you. Black pepper, about a teaspoon or two. Next, we're gonna put some olive oil. We're gonna put about a tablespoon to rub up everything. After, I'm gonna mix my mango sauce, sweet and sour sauce, with some barbecue sauce, and we're gonna use that to rub over it. All right, so we're not gonna add it yet. And soy, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. Grab yourself 1 glove, or you can use your hand directly, and we're gonna just rub up this
with your glove or your hands.
Whatever you like.
Maybe a fork.
Guys, onion and scallion and thyme and pimento and garlic and all of that is in the green season marinade. So if you don't have any onion powder, you don't have to worry about it. All right guys, look at the goodness. On my peeps, I went ahead and I cut my drumstick, just a little cut so the season can go down in it, and then you just want to do it back like that. Okay, and we are gonna cook it for dinner today. So now at 12 o'clock, so by 6 o'clock we come back and we put it in the oven. All right guys, after a few hours, well, we're gonna put some olive oil, and you just want to grease the pan a little bit, grease the sides as well. Look at the goodness here, guys. We're gonna just, ooh, all right, the goodness. Just tip a little water and shake it out, or scrape it out. All right guys, then you just want to level it out. All right, that's okay. All right guys, we're gonna pop this in the oven. I'm gonna pop it in for about 35-40 minutes, 45 minutes tops, and I'm gonna come back and spin them over. Oh, you want to preheat your oven at 375 or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I have mine at 400. All right, for the first, say, hour, and then I'm gonna turn it down to about 375, or you can let it stay at 400. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna cover it up. All right guys, this is it after about an hour. Go ahead, oh my god, they cook already basically. Go ahead and spin it over. I use my cover halfway through, about 30 minutes. I cover it a little bit. All right, you want to cover it for about 20-25 minutes so they can soft, and then you take it out back for it to catch some color. My daughter can't wait for it, so we're gonna let this side catch some color as well. I cover it so it can give some gravy. If you leave it open, you won't get any juice. Alright guys, now we're gonna pop it in for about 20-25 minutes for this side to catch some color, and then we're gonna take it out, baste it for another 15 minutes, and it's done. Alright guys, you need just a little plate or bowl. We're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of my mango sauce. You can use it as dipping sauce. It's sweet and spicy, sweet and sour sauce. Okay, this is my Diana barbecue sauce. We're gonna put about 1/4 cup. And that's it. Give this a little mix. See that goodness? Just gonna pour a little bit more. Alright, that's it. Alright, we're gonna set this aside. We're gonna use this to glaze the top. So good. Alright guys, man, this is chicken almost 2 hours now, guys. We better take it off. So anyhow, this is the nice sauce. Look at that. Just take a brush and you're gonna brush it. I'm only gonna show you one side, guys. After say 15-20 minutes, you just spin them over and you repeat the process. All right, this video need to finish now. Oh, the sauce, nice to see, guys. You can use it as a dipping sauce. All right, so go ahead and touch up all these bad boys. Give it 15 minutes, flip them over, because you're not going to cover it again, right? We're not going to cover it again. And then you repeat it. And ready to serve up. All done. Okay. I'll come back. This is it. Yes. It's going to be so good with my mango sweet and sour sauce and the barbecue sauce. All right. And this is it, guys. My son over here have some, what's this? I made some seasoned rice with veg. We're gonna serve it up with some. All right, guys, and this is it. All right, guys, let's serve it. Ooh, I mean, look how it's soft. Ooh, fall from the bone. Sunny, look at. How much you want? 2, 3? Do you want to look at one?
I don't think I could be a vegan.
You don't think so?
Look at this goodness, guys. All right, guys, the boy said I want nothing else on it, so I just put some lemon slice for decoration. Oh, that's lime slices. All right, guys, and this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Amir, you want to come taste it? Just grab a leg and taste it. You take up the whole plate. You go just take up a leg out of it. Put it back and see the goodness here. How is it? It's good?
Yeah, it's soft.
Alright.
It just falls off the bone.
Alright, guys, the boy says soft. Fall off the bones. Alright, bye, guys.